Titans! You know, this morning was looking pretty good for Bitcoin at first, but now, not so much. So with this red day upon us, let's talk about what we need to see happen as we head into the weekend for the weekly candle close. Kevart, hit that intro. Looking at Bitcoin on the daily time frame, you can see that today's daily candle, marked by this yellow arrow here, is currently testing this green support zone that ranges from about 60.6K to 61.2K. Now, more often than not, we've been getting good bounces in this area because there's clearly been strong demand here for the last 71 days. But if we did lose the support, like we did a little over a week ago, it's obviously a possibility that we could come back down and test this upper 50K area again. And if we did, we could find support along this white trend line here of this overall falling wedge pattern that's developing. Now, if this pattern holds, it would actually be very bullish for Bitcoin, but it could be a little painful in the short term if we're going to keep falling more before having a breakout to the upside along this white line. And finally, looking at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, the most important thing we need to do here is to close the current weekly candle marked by this blue arrow here above 60K, which is the bottom of this consolidation rectangle. Otherwise, we could be headed back down to 53K next, and that would change the entire perspective of the consolidation phase. But for now, and as we've been saying all along, the previous consolidation phases we've had so far in this cycle have all led to a continuation of the overall uptrend. So if this consolidation phase remains intact, then it remains in our favor to see that continue, especially since we are now past the halving event, which has always led to the true parabolic phase of the bull cycle. And again, the stochastic RSI is very low now, meaning that we are in oversold territory for Bitcoin. So we are due for some green weeks pretty soon whenever these two moving averages cross back up again.
Titans, we are your one-stop source for guiding you through this Bitcoin bull run. Please join us as we continue to provide the latest market and technical analysis that are going to give you that edge.